Jared O'Loughlin filming a giant thunderstorm. Ugh, just wait for it. This shit is bananas. It is so freaking loud. Yeah. It's also like 1,000,000 degrees out right now. This better cool us down. Yeah, okay. Okay. Yeah, we got a storm here. It's brewing. I just saw the power across the street go out. Yeah. This is literally like every few seconds. I can actually see a bolt of lightning hit a building out there. Oh, dang. Oh, dang. Yo, this is some Twister crap. You guys can see this, right? Like, pitch black out there, and then all of a sudden you can see the entire city. I'm afraid to stand near the window. Oh my god. Yeah, it's that literally just rattled the windows. Yeah. Someone's gonna... God dang! Okay, I'm getting away from the window. I'm done with this.